least the video is done. Like I said, guys, thanks again for watching this video. Thanks for supporting my channel. It's been growing a lot in the past year, and I hope in 2021 continues to grow. I'll be posting videos more frequently, so check out some of the new videos that are coming out. If you watch this video, at least check out some of the other videos on my channel. Drop some likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all the support from the people on YouTube. It really means a lot. Thanks, guys. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode, and today I'm driving Ford Expedition. This thing's huge. Forgot what it was like to drive an SUV, but I like it. Anyways, so we're starting right now, beginning of a new episode. I'm building an auto detail, mobile auto detail trailer, and I retired my 4Runner. I sold that one already, so that truck is gone. I pulled out all my equipment, and I didn't like having a truck that I could only use for one thing, and that was auto detailing. My 100-gallon tank is so big, and my supplies is so big that I couldn't use the truck for anything else, so I didn't really like that. So that's why I sold the truck, and I want to build a trailer similar to like the other one I had on my channel. You'll see the card pop up about the little mini trailer that I had. That one was cool, but it didn't have no paperwork, and it was a little flimsy. It didn't have a frame on it. It was just plywood and a cheap, really cheaply made trailer. So I didn't really want to keep that one. I didn't really have that much faith in it. So I'm on my way right now to go. Step number one, pick up a trailer. So we're gonna go hopefully pick up this trailer. We gotta go check it out, make sure it has paperwork, plates, lights, and make sure the frame isn't cracked or anything like that. Make sure it's in good condition, make an offer, and then step number one will be done. So let's do that. Let's fast forward to this part now. I'm going to be driving over there to go pick it up. I had to borrow my uncle's Expedition, La Camioneta. So let's see if this goes good. I'll update you guys right now if I get the trailer. If not, I have a backup option to go look at another trailer. But let's go check this one out. So I'll cut to that scene now. So I'll update you guys soon. Step one, buy a trailer. Alright guys, the detail trailer is secured. Got it on. It's a cool little trailer, huh? Good little project. Sits kind of high because I don't have a drop hitch on the Explorer, but hey, it'll make it home. I pray that it makes it home. Let's get it back to town, then give you guys some more details on it. Project starts now. I like it. It's a little mini trailer with a small frame, custom made, but it's pretty good quality. It's got a spare tire on the side, which I think is really cool. Tires are good, lights work, has paperwork that's really important, has plates. What more can you ask for? Taking it back. Part two now of building an auto detail trailer is we are going to take it apart and respray it, do a little bit of minor modifications to it. So it's update you guys with a little more progress on the actual trailer build. Then we'll start assembling the tank and pressure washer on it. But I'm excited, guys. Well, it's on stands now. Underneath looks pretty solid. It's time to start taking it apart, getting some ideas for it now. Here's my tank. I think I want to paint it. Can't do up the whole trailer and leave the tank left out. So I'll update you guys soon when I make some progress on this little trailer. I got some cool ideas, so I think it's gonna come out really good. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna get started on this, start pulling it apart, get it sanded, figure out how I'm gonna put the tank in here because it fits real tight right here. It doesn't go past these marks. So I might have to open it up right here. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do that. I gotta widen it a little bit, just a hair. Or I could put it long ways. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but ideally I would like to have it long ways like that, but not sure. Might have to cut these. I'm gonna try and pry them out with like a jack or something, but no promises. But let's get started on this project. I'm gonna just do a bunch of progress on it, then I'll show you guys how it's coming out. So let's do it, man. It's gonna be cool. I took my time building the trailer, plus I had to find the right truck for my trailer. Since this is a really small trailer, I can't go with something too tall. It needs to be just right. And I had to find this 8-inch drop hitch. It's not really a common hitch that you find in all the stores. Some of them are kind of pricey, but I got lucky and got a deal on this one at AutoZone. So the trailer's been pretty good so far. I'm gonna use it for my personal use mostly, but I'll also do other auto detailing jobs with it. I'll review it in the future as I do more auto detailing jobs. I'm sure I'll have more videos, and I'll probably build more trailers in the future. But if you have any questions about this little baby trailer, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel. So you can see it's a pretty small trailer. I wanted something that I could wheel around the house. Like, even if it's not attached to my truck, I can just drop this wheel right here that I got from Harbor Freight. So I just drop the wheel, raise it up, and it can roll on all 3 wheels, and I can push it around my backyard or wash my own personal vehicles at home. So that was the main focus of this trailer. I really wanted a trailer for myself, like a personal trailer, but I could also use it for work too if I have jobs to do, because I have a 90-gallon tank, so I could fit a decent amount of spot-free water in here. So basically what spot-free water is, like drinking water. So it's got like all the calcium that's been extracted from the water. That way you don't have any hard water stains. So I strapped it down with some straps. I've tested it out. It's pretty strong. Plus the frame of the trailer holds it from sliding around left to right. So the trailer's pretty decent. It's a small trailer, but it does the job. It's really dusty. I should have freaking washed it before I showed it to you guys on video. That's embarrassing. But it took me a long time to get to this point, and I'm really excited just to shoot the trailer and show you guys so I could finish this video. But yeah, you can see right here I had to use like an 8-inch drop since my FJ Cruiser is lifted. The 4Runner that I had was really lifted up, and I had trouble, man, hooking this trailer up to it. So I just sold the truck and upgraded anyways. I've been wanting an FJ Cruiser for a long time. I had one before, but it was a 2-wheel drive. Now this is a 4-wheel drive. Very satisfied with my purchase. So let me show you guys here. I got a Honda generator on this. With the Honda generator, I basically drilled into the metal platform here, and then I used some Loctite bolts underneath. I did like 6 bolts total, and haven't had any trouble or anything come loose with the pressure washer on the trailer. Budget friendly hose reel right here. This is from Lowe's. I haven't got the real deal one yet. I gotta go and check out the auto detailing stores to find a new hose reel, but this is pretty cool. It does the job. It's whatever. So I got my hose reel mounted on top of my pressure washer, as you've seen in my previous videos on my 4Runner, when I used to have my auto detailing setup in my SUV, in the trunk of my SUV. You could see that video on my channel as well if you want to see what it's like to put all this equipment in the back of an SUV. But I liked the convenience of it having in the SUV, but you can't really use your truck. So I wanted to start using my truck, you know, so that's why I built this little trailer, so I don't have to keep everything in my truck, and I can use my stuff for different things. I have a return line right here from the pressure washer. This helps keep the pressure washer cool and extend the life of your pressure washer. So I have this hooked up to my pressure washer as well. I have right here Chemical Guys pressure washer gun. Then I sprayed my wheels red, and I'm rocking a spare tire on the side. I think that's cool. Rocking a little spare tire just in case I get a flat and I'm out refilling my water, or I'm out on a job. But I think overall the trailer looks pretty cool. You know, the trailer looks nice set up on the FJ Cruiser. You know, it's very simple. All the lights work. Very small, convenient trailer. But yeah, totally, I think I spent on this trailer probably like $1,300 to $1,500 building it. You know, I have a Honda generator, my bad. I have a Honda pressure washer, not a little cheap pressure washer. This thing does the job. It's really good to invest in your pressure washer, mostly because that's what you're going to use the most, and it's going to last a long time. So there's the pressure washer. This is my 90-gallon tank. Then I bought this wheel and attached it from Harbor Freight. Then have my safety chains hooked up from Harbor Freight as well. And I got a Reese 8-inch drop hitch hooked up to my truck, and that's about it. So this is a really cool mini ultimate budget-friendly trailer right here. It's pretty cool. I love the way it came out. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like this budget-friendly baby trailer. Plus you can do some big auto detailing jobs. At least you don't got to worry about water and carrying gasoline or the pressure washer in your car. Just carry all your supplies in here and carry your water and pressure washer outside.